Hi, my name is Giuliano Prieto, a general engineering contractor with Prieto Engineering in Los Angeles. Today, I will show you how to apply and repair grout. Materials needed are dry mortar, a grinder, a crack chaser, small trowels, a sponge, a bucket, and a source of water. Today, I'm going to apply grout and repair this corner where the grout has removed itself or come loose. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my grinder with the crack chaser wheel and I'm going to cut the grout a little bit better so that the concrete mortar can enter into the brick area. Now that we've removed the remaining grout, we're now ready to apply the new grout into the crack. The first thing that we need to do is clean it out from any residue or dust that has remained from the crack chasing. We'll now take a sponge, get some water, rinse it out, and clean out any remaining dust that is inside of the joint. Now that we've cleaned out the joint, we're ready to place the mortar. We'll take the mortar that I have already made and we'll set it down into the joint. Put enough mortar into the brick joint so that we can get it all the way in there, leaving no room for any air pockets. I'm using two different types of trowels. This one's my smaller trowel that I like for smaller areas such as this. I'll sometimes use this trowel to put under to make sure that the grout stays into place, especially using it on stairs. We'll let that sit for just a minute and then we'll begin our cleaning application. We'll want to clean the edges to ensure that the joints look nice and clean and proper. Little technique I learned is to just rotate the same sponge a couple different directions to ensure that we're getting the most out of every stroke. Now that we've cleaned most of the grout, I'll make sure that I don't have any low spots. I found one right over here, so I'll take a little bit of my mortar and I'll place it back into there. And I'll remove any excess material. Now that our mortar has been set and it's dried for a few minutes, it's time now to just clean it up one last time on both edges. To ensure there's no mortar that has come on top of any of the other bricks. My name is Giuliano Prieto with Prieto Engineering, and I thank you for watching my video on how to apply and repair grout.